Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys what I think are the 5 best Louis Vuitton SLGs or small leather goods. If you guys saw my previous video on what I think are the 5 worst Louis Vuitton SLGs, thank you for joining me in this video. If you guys haven't seen that yet, I'll link that video up here. But yeah, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys what I think are the 5 best Louis Vuitton SLGs. So let's get straight into it. So I do have a lot of props to share with you guys because obviously I do own them because I think that they're the best SLGs. Whereas in my last video, the worst Louis Vuitton SLG video, I didn't have anything to share with you guys. I just had screenshots to share because obviously it's what I think are the worst and I wouldn't own anything on that worst list. But yeah, let's start off with number 1 on my best Louis Vuitton SLG list. And it has to go to none other than the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I actually own 2 of them. That's how much I love them and how much I think that they're super good and worth the money. I think after all the price increase now, it's $360 for the key pouches, and I think that it's still worth it. It's so versatile. I've done so many videos on this. You guys know how much I love the Louis Vuitton key pouch. Definitely consider this if you haven't purchased it yet. If you're just starting your luxury journey, definitely consider the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I know everyone raves about it. It's still really hard to find, so if you do find one, definitely snatch it up. But yeah, if you're just starting out your luxury journey, feel free to subscribe and join us in this community where I share a lot of my experiences and also mistakes so that you can learn from them too. But yeah, the very first item that I think is the best Louis Vuitton SLG is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. And I just love this so much. If you guys want to see more about it, I'll link more videos where I've talked about this down below. But yeah, this is definitely number 1 on my list. So the second item on this best Louis Vuitton SLG list is another cult favorite, and it's the Louis Vuitton mini Pochette. Again, I've done so many videos on this little guy. I've done a what fits inside, a review, a styling video, so I'll leave all those in the description box below. But this is such a versatile piece and definitely worth the money. I know, again, just like with the key pouch, it's gone up so much over the past couple of years. I think this retails for about $595 Australian dollars now, so it is quite a lot of money for a little pouch, but you can use it in so many different ways. You can attach a long strap to it, use it as a crossbody, which I often do when I'm just running to the grocery store and just need like the essentials like my wallet, my keys, hand sanitizer, my mask, all fit inside this little pouch. So yeah, this is definitely a best purchase for me. I think I would purchase another one. I'm considering getting like a different canvas print to it because it's so cute and versatile, or even like the Christmas animation prints. I think some of them look really cute. But yeah, this is definitely on my best Louis Vuitton SLG list. So the third best Louis Vuitton SLG is more of like a category of SLGs, which is kind of cheating a little bit, but the particular one that I'm talking about is something that I don't own. I do own like a different one in the same category, but essentially it's just all the compact wallets that Louis Vuitton do. I think a lot of them are such good value for money and you can't go wrong with any compact wallet from Louis Vuitton, so that's why it's considered one of the best Louis Vuitton SLGs. So the compact wallet that I own is the Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet. So I've had this for years and years, and you can't even tell how long I've had it and how much I've used it because it's held up super well. So it's just like a zippy wallet, very compact, and it's just got like an accordion style opening. And this is really good, but when I purchased this, the style that I'm thinking of hadn't come out yet, I don't think. So that's why I didn't purchase it. Whereas if I knew that was out, I would have purchased it. Maybe it was, but I just didn't know about it. But I'm pretty sure it wasn't. Anyway, the compact wallet that I'm thinking of is the Victorina wallet. And I think that the Victorina wallet is so beautiful. It's so functional. I'm such a sucker for anything with envelope shape. So it's got like an envelope snap button closure. And I love how it's like a trifold where it opens up like 3 ways. So you can fit your bills in the top compartment. So I think that is such a good value for money. You're getting a really small compact wallet, but it acts like a full-sized wallet. I was considering purchasing the Victorina wallet at one stage, but I already have this compact wallet and this works just as fine. The only thing is I have to fold the bill to fit in here. So that's just a little bit troublesome, like a little bit more troublesome compared to the Victorina, but not a big deal. But yeah, the Victorina wallet, if I just had to choose just one compact wallet from Louis Vuitton, it would have to be the Victorina wallet. So I guess the Victorina wallet would have to be on this list. So the third best Louis Vuitton SLG is the Victorina wallet, but I'm just going to say all compact wallets from Louis Vuitton in general. So the fourth best Louis Vuitton SLG on my list is my recent purchase, which is the Louis Vuitton round coin purse. I know this has been discontinued, so a lot of you guys are probably like, oh, we can't even get it, why is it on this list? But you can find them on the pre-loved market. You just have to kind of be patient and kind of look regularly to see if there's one in good condition and whether or not it's an affordable price. Otherwise, Christmas editions come out every year and they come out in the round coin purse. So if you don't mind the Christmas animation, definitely consider purchasing one around Christmas time. They're so cute, and I just love the functionality of the round coin purse. I know it's just like a coin purse, but again, I think it's so beautiful. Just the way it like opens like this. I keep saying it looks like, it reminds of like very Parisian style with like the round wallet or the round coin purse like that, and it just opens up super wide so you can find all your coins. And I don't think I've ever seen any other brand out there that do round coin purses. I know the Hermes Bastia coin purse is more like a square. Other brands do like more like a zipper closure one, but this is just really unique to me. So that's why this has made it on my best Louis Vuitton SLG list, because I just love this. It is a cult classic. Again, I don't know why Louis Vuitton have discontinued it, but it's definitely a favorite to me. And I know a lot of other luxe lovers out there love this round coin purse too. So yeah, this is 4th on my best Louis Vuitton SLG list. So the 5th and final best Louis Vuitton SLG on my list is kind of like a tie. It's kind of a tricky one, because if you'd asked me this question like 2 years ago, this item would have made the list, like no questions asked. It definitely would have made my list. But then as of last year, I did purchase something else and it kind of replaced it. And that's why I feel like it's no longer on my best Louis Vuitton SLG list. But I still think it is, because a lot of people still love it, and I get why, because I used it for so many years. But anyway, I'll just show you the item and then we can talk more about it. So the item that I had initially on my list was the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. And again, this is like a cult classic. Everyone raves about the 6-ring key holder and how it protects the insides of your bags and how compact it is and how versatile and like there's so many good things about the 6-ring key holder. But as of last year, I purchased the Orbit key. You guys know I've showcased this in so many videos. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I just love the Orbit key. This is around like maybe 40 Australian dollars, depending on like the leather type or like the material that you get. It varies in price, but it's around like the 30-40 Australian dollar mark. But it just houses all my keys inside here. So it still protects the inside of my bags, but it's so compact. Like my car fob is super bulky, so even putting it into the 6-ring key holder, it would flare out a lot. Like it would be really puffy and thick, whereas with this, it's literally like that small, and it fits in all of my handbags. Like even like the mini pochette, it fits in really nicely, as well as all my other bits and pieces that I carry with it. And not to say that the 6-ring key holder doesn't fit. It does fit really nicely too, but it does take up a bit more room, because again, look at the size comparison between the two. Like if you had keys on here or on this, like you can see the size difference. This is like a card holder, like a really bulky card holder. And this is just super slim. It's like literally your car key and a house key, because this is so slim and thin. And I've got about, how many keys? 1, 2, 3, 4 keys in here. So that's about the same amount that I'll put in my 6-ring key holder too, but you can see like the size difference there. And I know you guys are saying that this is Louis Vuitton, like this is such a classic piece, and it is. But again, ever since I got this, I said I would interchange the two and use this one every now and again, just to give this one a bit of a break. But I honestly haven't felt the need or want to change and use this again, because of how compact and easy this is. It fits really easily in any of my pockets, any of my small bags. Whereas this is just, it just feels really bulky to me now. Ever since using this, like this has just changed my whole perception of it all. Maybe because I did purchase this a few years ago, it is like the stiffer canvas. So it is really stiff, and you can see it's kind of like curled up a little bit, which I'm not a huge fan of. And just having that in my bag all the time, it just doesn't feel as nice. This just feels so much more like compact and like easy. Like you can't even see it in my hand, like when I pinch it like that, whereas this is like really bulky. So again, I know this is not supposed to be a review. If you guys want to see like a comparison between the two, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to do like a little review of these two and comparison. But yeah, so if you asked me this question 2 years ago, this would have been on my list. But then ever since getting the Orbit key organizer, I just haven't reached for it and I haven't felt the need to reach for it. So because I felt like I didn't really need this or wasn't as essential as I once thought it was, I thought maybe there would be a better Louis Vuitton SLG out there that could trump this. I did a bit of research on the Louis Vuitton website to see if there were any alternatives, and I found the Louis Vuitton business card holder in the empreinte leather for $475, which is amazing for a full leather card holder, card wallet. I think it's such a good piece and good value for money. So that's why the Louis Vuitton business card holder in empreinte leather has made it to my top 5 best SLG list. So let me know if you guys are like mind blown at that. I know a lot of people mention that this is one of the best SLGs out there, but ever since getting the Orbit key organizer, I feel like you could use your money elsewhere. Just spend like the $40 on this and then use all the money that you would have spent on this. I think this is like $360 for the 6-ring key holder. So save all that money and put it towards like the business card holder. I think for an all leather, empreinte leather card holder, I think for $475, that's definitely worth it. It's only like $100 more than this, and you're getting a full leather wallet with it. I think they also do the canvas prints too, which is slightly cheaper, but I think if you're going to go for it, definitely go for the empreinte leather. I think that just makes an amazing small leather good, and very functional and beautiful too. So yeah, those are what I think are the best Louis Vuitton SLGs right now. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys agree with me or if you disagree, or if you have a different top 5. Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And also let me know what you guys think about the 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton, if you think it's worth it, if it should have made the top 5 list, or if you think that the Orbit key is a really good alternative. Let me know if you guys own this too. I'll have everything that I mentioned in the description box below. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to see you back in future videos. I have a lot more content planned, so stay tuned for that. But until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.